EClogic EClogic Tutorial. Tutorial video number 32. EClogic Command Timer Setting. What is a command timer? Command timer is a configurable time range which will be active on Modbus. That command can be linked to automatic output executions. Where to set the command timers? EClogic Command Timer setting can be configured under the Command Timer subcategory. There you have the possibility to set up 4 different command timers. Click on the Edit button and on the first line you can select the day or range for the days. The command will be available for the selected day or range of days. And then edit the start time and stop time for the commands. Once you save the editing, the command will be available on the Modbus. How to configure the command timers with linker? Go to the EClogic and open the linker setting. There you have to edit the Modbus address of command timer as input address. Here the first command timer will be in bit 0. If you are setting a second command timer, then you have to use the bit 1. For the third and fourth command you have to use bit 2 and 3 respectively. Please refer the Modbus slave documentation. For the output address you can choose whichever target address for your execution. Here in this example, minimum genset load Modbus address is being used. Now go to the EClogic and edit the command timer 1 with a time range. And save the setting. If you go to the linker, you can see the command line is active for the configured time duration. How the command timer execution works. Let's check how the command timer setting overrule the setting. Here the production of genset is 30% as default. Go ahead and set a new time range. So your command timer setting will be available on the Modbus. Again, edit the minimum genset load to 70% and save your editing. Now go to the monitoring and check the production of the genset. The production of genset is being increased to 70%. So the genset production will be maintained to 70% to the configured command time range. Once the time range of the command timer expires, the genset production will back to 30% default production level. How the command timer linker logic works. In the EClogic linker line 1, command timer Modbus input address configured on the input address on the linker. Then it is linked to the minimum genset load address on the output. Then minimum genset load being configured to 70% on bit 0. Here when the input signal of command timer is present, the output gate is true. Which means, when input gate is true, the standard setting of genset load will be overruled by EClogic minimum genset load setting. Thank you for watching the video. This video presented by EClogic. For more information, please visit our website www.ecomb.com.